Oh boy, I don't know, so they still get court case where they demand say, make court to sack Tinubu as president of Nigeria. I mean to say everything about that election or be about Tinubu's presidency ended the moment Supreme Court gave down their judgment. Where Peter Obi, Atiku, all of them, they court, they drag up, say, na me win. I think at that time, everything end. I don't know, so they still get court case inside court demanding that make the sack Tinubu as president of Nigeria. Say he is not worth to be the president of Nigeria. That he does not have the moral standing. He does not have the character. You understand? Based on that drug matter inside US, where him forfeit $460,000 in the 90s. I hear this news. I say, so people say they carry this matter, they go court. They say that on Monday night, the court, the Supreme Court, they don't drag, they say drag and reach Supreme Court. Supreme Court can't give judgment and say, make them not try bring this guy case, court case again, enter court to say Tinubu is the president of Nigeria, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. In fact, the man will even carry it himself, will drag and reach Supreme Court. Then fine him $5 million. Before the matter reach Supreme Court, appeal court already fined the man for 40 million. So altogether, 45 million. The man no agree. The man just drag the case. They go. He said, I must see to the end of this. I must see. As he reached the Supreme Court, they don't even look and then throw away him. Can't they even cut chain, give the clerk of the Supreme Court, say, never you collect any court case like this again. We consign our Jakaban. Don't try am. Make I no talk too much, I beg. Make I carry on direct. That's why I go here. As they talk the matter on top national TV. When I go even hear from the man where they carry this matter for head. We carry this matter for head. They go court all this while to make sure that make court sack Tinubu. Say Tinubu does not have the character being a drug lord to rule Nigeria. When I help me watch this video.
On Monday, the Supreme Court dismissed the suit seeking to sack President Bola Tinubu from office. The suit filed by Ambrose Owuru, the presidential candidate of the Hope Democratic Party in the 2019 general election, sought Tinubu's removal based on the U.S. Central Intelligence Agency report on drug allegations. Owuru equally urged the Apex Court to disqualify Tinubu on account of earlier forfeiting the sum of $460,000 to the U.S. government in a drug-related case. A 5-member panel of the Apex Court, led by Justice Uwani Abba-Aji, held that the suit was frivolous and that Owuru be fined the sum of $5 million as penalty. It further warned the registry of the Supreme Court against receiving originating summons from him ever again.
I'm not too proud to call myself a lawyer today. The Supreme Court, I'm over 40 years at the bar. The Supreme Court I met will hear every case. They won't predetermine a matter by just looking at the subject. We have made a good case and they have refused to hear us. For whatever reason. In other countries, in Georgia now, the president has been removed. It doesn't require Supreme Court. It's Nigerians who not think they have a Supreme Court that will give them judgment. I'm sorry it's not coming. All we got today was attack, say the date, we say this, we say no, you didn't say it well. What kind of proceeding is this?
What happened on Monday was just what I call a political stunt. It's not an act of judicial decision of any court, because what we have before the court is an appeal transmitted from the Court of Appeal. The suit number is 667. You quoted them. 2023, not today. If you know how presidential elections are handled, we've had a situation where at every point in time, you now have this kind of situation where they don't want to hear it and they come up with something for the press. If the CJN has found administratively that there was no dismissal, he will set up another panel. And that was what she did. We brought before the CJN that these people keep coming up with this false affidavit at our back. If you're an appellant in this country, just because it's a presidential election, that's what they do. We call it a cabal arrangement. The judges are in it, INEC is in it, everybody is in it. INEC will give fake results, announce it. The judges will then endorse it. That's what I wrote a book called 18 Laws of Ballot Revolution. It's even more pungent than what they are talking about daily
You don't see him. The man not they drag the case since last year. He did drag him. He did drag him. He did. Nah. 45 million you won't go pay. 45 million. Okay, you yourself. I don't know. What did they walk you? When you thinking that you will get any justice, which can be justice? When you thinking that the court will ever rule against Tinubu? People wait Tinubu don't increase their salary by 300%. Wicked Davis, they build house for them in Abuja. Then they will not come and give a judgment that when they sack this man. I don't know. Okay, if you say you don't call also. But one thing when you talk for there, when me I like and say, this country na cabal they run them. Is a syndicate. You know, INEC they inside, government they inside, everybody they inside, judiciary they inside. INEC go give fake result. You understand? Based on election now. What do they call them? Judiciary go authenticate them. So everybody they involved. It's an organized crime, organized syndicate. Good, I don't hear about me. Now so you be. Now so this country be. Anybody when they tell you say, they go fit do otherwise. You go carry matter enter court against this Tinubu government, and you go win. Lie. How you want to take win? First of all, ask yourself, who be the people who did there? Who be the people who go attend to this case now inside court? When they don't drag matter, drag and reach Supreme Court, who did there? Kekere Ekun. Kekere Ekun. Nine did there. Single-handedly picked by Tinubu. Atobaya there. You understand? Where we don't even know where that one belongs. Whether she is on her own representing the judiciary or she is partisan. Because why would you go to do groundbreaking for land where we can forcefully collect from people? Say, the war is and build lodge for owner, houses for judiciary, judges inside Abuja. Why? And now you go do the groundbreaking so that people where they forcefully collect the land now, if they want enter court now, come drag her for court, we are not go fit give judgment. Because how can you give a judgment against your own self when now you the one use the land build house for? It's not possible now. So that the kind of people who you want to go meet inside court, you want to get judgment against Tinubu, are they quite possible? It's not possible. I get it. That was why they boldly told everybody in 2023, go to court. If you are not happy with the outcome of the election, my brother, go to court. See how this man take through away 45 million. We for just use help people. If you give 45 people or 1 million, not be 45 million. You don't help people. You cannot go through away inside court. So you define. When you already know the outcome, the end from the beginning. You already know. Just go through away like that. I go see you later, I beg.
For over a decade, this has been the birthplace of innovation. Innocent Vehicles is a testament to resilience, employing international best practices to create more than just a car. Every vehicle here tells a story of durability, fuel economy and safety. Crafted with the African spirit, the Nigerian heart. These vehicles surrounding me embody the unique concept of regionalization, each one designed to cater to the tastes and preferences of our people. From the streets in Nigeria to the terrains of the Sahara, these vehicles are designed for our roads, for our people. This is more than a vehicle. It's a symbol of our progress, our resilience, our collective success story. Your feedback drives us to continuously innovate and improve. Innocent Vehicle, the pride of African roads.